Hey everybody, welcome back to Indiana Tone's YouTube channel. If you were with me on one of my lives, I found a cool badge on a live stream while my daughter was in art class. Now, let me just say, if any kids are watching this and they want to go metal detecting in areas like that, one, bring an adult with you. Two, make sure you're wearing all the proper, PPE, protective gear like gloves, because certain places on the coast there are needles, sharp glass, things like that you have to be wary of. Always ask an adult before you do anything. So I found this awesome badge, and I'm going to leave a link. You can watch that live video. It happened on a live stream, amazing. I tried restoring it. It's a cool badge. I need help identifying it. I'm going to show you a couple methods that I used, electrolysis and the tumbler, on how we revealed, what it looks like. It's really exciting. Check it out.
Oh, railroad spike right there. What is this? We got a railroad spike right there. What are you? Bitcoin? Are you a Bitcoin or what? What are you? A little brokenage. Could be a button. I don't know. Could be something cool. Looks like a badge or something now. Maybe. It's metal. I do not have a brush. Rub, 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 rub. That's definitely something, my friends. 100% that's something. That's some kind of badge. Or a fob. What do you think that is, guys? I think it's cool. There's some detail up there. Look at that. We gotta clean that puppy up. Oh my God. Who would have thunk it? What do you think? Leave a comment. Give us a like. 17 likes, 17 people. Thank you, guys. All right. All right. We got at least one find here. Digging LI said to use 1 teaspoon of washing soda. Right there. Not baking soda, washing soda. 1 teaspoon for every 8 ounces. Now, I have this huge thing. I don't know if it's going to be enough. Let's hit that. Maybe we'll just double it up because I have a big thing to clean. You can obviously do this in something smaller. This is what I have. So I'm putting double the recipe in just to get a little bit more room. And then we're going to stir it up. Stir it up. Oh. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Oh, snap. This is obviously better in a smaller container, right? Okay. All right, we got you connected and submerged. All right, I tried to use electrolysis a little bit, and it cleaned up some of the stuff. I'm going to tumble it now. Now, I have this beautiful tumbler. If you're looking for a good quality tumbler, I'll leave a link below. Gold Digger Metal Detectors has these available, Loratone ink. Comes in a nice box. I use gravel to clean up my coins. Ironically, Merrill also has this stuff. I'm going to leave a link to this. Stainless steel tumbling. Now I'm going to use this on all the beach silver I found, the Mercs and Barber. I mean, they're really, I wouldn't recommend doing this to coins that have value, but when you're trying to clean up coins that have been eroded on the beach, I'm going to show you how beautiful they're going to come with this stuff. I'll leave a link for this as well. If you need a good tumbler and this, check out the description below. Now, hopefully this does something. We might have to do electrolysis again after I do this to break up some of that stuff. It's really crudded on there from the ocean. Another thing, the Gold Digger metal detectors, they have the ugly box. Dog Star Blazer. See, he made me this nice bowl. Now, the ugly box is an invention and also has all the right material you need and things to clean up any type of rusted or bad coins, buttons, anything. The ugly box. Now, what's different about that in comparison to a homemade electrolysis kit, you could regulate the voltage to the volt so you don't overcook things. Check out the link below if you need a really good tumbler, the ugly box, and I'll also leave an affiliate link for this stainless steel tumbling meter shot, jeweler's mix. 4 shapes. This helps polish up anything. All right, let's get to it. So I just put some of the rocks, a little bit of Dawn. This is how you do this. Put this in. I'm doing one hand. See how easy this is? Now, some people use soda. I would not recommend that because soda, you know what happens when you shake up a bottle, right? You definitely do not want to do that. Put this on. There is a washer. I don't have it right now. I put the screw on wrong the first time. Now it's on right. You want the grip on top. You just place it down like that, and you plug it in. That's it. Let it sit. I don't know. Try a half hour, hour, see what happens. All right, 40 minutes. Let's see what we got. I don't have a strainer, unfortunately, so. Whoa, we got some dirty water. Unless it's just a red tinge. There it is. Any progress? Damn, this is really... The ocean does a number on these things. There's definitely more detail than there was. Like, this circle wasn't there before. Let's rinse it off. I'm definitely seeing a huge improvement. Look at this detail right here. Look at that. Oh, this is exciting. This is really exciting. What I did was, I just took a paper towel, and I'm just doing this. It's hard to understand. This didn't come out of the ground. This came out of the water. So the salt really does a number on here, caking stuff on there, like barnacles or whatever. It just doesn't come off with your nail. So little by little, we're going to try to reveal this. And these are the good tools to use. Electrolysis, tumblers. I don't want to just take a wire brush to it and ruin the damn thing. Whoa, this is exciting. How cool is this, guys? All right, let's keep going. So little by little, it's coming out. Look at that. Getting more detail. This is exciting, let me tell you. This is the most exciting restoration I'm doing ever. This is a grueling process, but we're seeing results. So on the rear side, it looks like there's a circle back there. They might have some info in there, right? As you can see, stuff's coming through. We could keep going. We could keep this going all day long. This is the fun part of metal detecting, restoring stuff. But also, in my experience, once you go too far, there's no going back, right? So check that out. We got the eagle on the top, right where my thumb is. You have a sun. There may be something under the eagle's feet where it's standing. I'm afraid to go too much. We don't want to ruin this thing. We just wanted to find out what the heck it is. I can't find anything online. I'm talking to all my New York buddies. Some of them said, let's look up all different types of things like parks. I don't know if it's military. Where the eagle's standing looks a little, military-ish. And you got the sun on top. Anybody has an idea, tell me. Now let's look at these other things. I'm using these Loratone rock that came with the kit. Now these are really cool. These polished jewelry. I did a combo of that and the electrolysis. I could do this. I like the patina. It gives it character. You don't want to go too much, right? I just wanted to know what it is. Let me know, would you use these on this? I am gonna tumble my silver I got on the beach because those coins are shot. No key dates to show you how good these work. However, let me know what you think. If you know what this is, what kind of badge. It looks like there was, at one point, a pin here. Is it military? Is it parks? Is it a society? Let me know in the comments. Keep swinging, guys.